Leave my ponytail alone, boy.
It's not your ponytail.
Yes, it is.
It's a fake.
I paid with it with my money.
Still fake though.
My money.
Still fake.
My money.
Someone needs to explain to me, if someone has her own good hair, why would she wear a ponytail?
There's no such thing as good hair. Every hair is good hair as long as it's healthy hair. What you talking about?
Why do you need a ponytail?
Because it's fun to change up the look.
But nothing changed.
It did change.
What changed? Does your face look different?
I'm slaying or whatever.
You ain't slaying shit.
Hey amiga, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and I'm back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is going to be a night routine together with Benny. He is still at work at the moment, but I decided to start the vlog already because I have a little unboxing that I wanted to do, so I decided to start the vlog. But when he gets back home, we will continue with the rest of our night routine. But we're gonna start off by doing a little unboxing because I'm too excited for this and I've been waiting for so long to open this, and there are things in there that I desperately want to use. So I think about 2 months ago, the owner of Lovelies by Lulu, Marie-Louise, she reached out to me on Instagram and she told me that she wanted to send me a few goodies, and I was super excited about that because it was around the same time that she had a collaboration with Xoxo Curacao, and I saw that popping up on my stories, and I was just super proud that people from the same island as me are like doing these cool things. So I was super excited, and of course I said yes. I wanted to support them anyways, but I just didn't know like exactly how to order and stuff. But I figured it out. I ordered one thing myself and the rest of it is just basically a gift. Since I recently reached 3K subscribers on YouTube, I wanted to do a giveaway anyways. So it's amazing. It's a win-win situation. So a special thank you goes to Lovelies by Lulu and also to Xoxo Curacao because I know there are presents from both of them in this box. But we're gonna go ahead and open it up. So here is how everything came, and I see so much goodies. So let's start off with the cards. I got a few stickers. Oh my god, this is so cool for on my laptop, which is, I think, from the Black Lives Matter movement. They created this and I think it's super cool. So I'm gonna give one to the giveaway winner, but 3 stickers. This pretty card, like look at that. And the card says, "Hey babe, we are beyond excited to share these goodies with you. Thank you so much for supporting and spreading the love. Sunny regards and love from Curacao. Lulu and Coco." Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love this card. I'm gonna frame this because it's just so beautiful to not do anything with. So that's gonna be put in a little frame. Then here we have, oh my god, we have a little pin from Curacao. I'm pretty sure my sister will love this, but this one is mine. It's a beautiful little pin. And then here we have another beautiful pin in the shape of my beautiful island Curacao. Oh, that's cute. We have a tiny little box. Just open that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We have these pretty earrings. Oh my god, this is so beautiful and delicate. I got the Rosalina earrings. And it says, "She loves life and it loves her back. Made with raw rose quartz and gemstone of unconditional love combined with a heart pendant." Thank you. So beautiful. Then oh, what the hell, girl? So pretty. Oh my god. Okay. So I got this bracelet and it's called, like, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put it on, by the way. Literally, how beautiful is this? Like, oh my god. But this is the raw amethyst to promote calmness, balance, and peace. Oh my goodness. And these, I will make so many pictures on my Instagram as well. So make sure to follow me. That my handle is @Jennyfer Ross. girl, I'm overwhelmed, and this is what I'm so excited for. This is what I ordered. It is the necklace that was in collaboration with Kokolishi Curaçao, and it is in the shape of the Handelskade. It is the most famous street on Curaçao, and normally it's like very colorful, but they made it like in a little necklace and in gold, and I'm pretty sure that it's gold plated, so you will be able to use that for so long. And it says, we hope you'll take pride in wearing the Handelskade necklace and experience moments of happiness from the moments you unwrap it and wear it daily. Love, Kokolishi and Lovelies by Lulu. Oh, this is so cute. And guess what? I got not one, but I got two. This is for a little giveaway because I reached 3K subscribers on YouTube. So you will be able to win this necklace, but details on that I will tell you later. This is the last gift. It's pretty heavy. Oh my god, what the hell. Another beautiful bracelet. Like, look at this, so pretty. Does it have a card? It does have a card, of course, and it says raw clear quartz. I am beyond happy and excited and grateful for all of this. So thank you so much to Lovelies by Lulu and also to Kokolishi Curaçao. I am beyond excited. So you guys didn't have to do this, but you did. And I want to express quickly how proud I am of Kokolishi Curaçao and also of Lovelies by Lulu. Y'all are doing amazing, and I'm super proud of you, even though I haven't met you in person yet. But I am super proud of you. What you are doing is just amazing, and I just want you to continue. Please continue doing this because it is amazing. So my love goes out to you. Thank you so much for all these goodies. I will wear them like proudly as the proudly Yuri Curaçao that I am. So thank you so much. So now I'm gonna tell you about the rules for the giveaway. To win this beautiful necklace, of course. So you need to be subscribed to my channel. That's number one. Step two is follow me on Instagram. My handle is at Jennyfer Ross. I've been posting so many things there: beauty, fashion, lifestyle content. So make sure to follow me there, and also make sure to follow Kokolishi Curaçao and also Lovelies by Lulu on Instagram. I'll make sure to link all the handles in the description box down below for you to check it out, and hopefully I get to give it to you like face to face and maybe have a little lunch or whatever. We'll see about that, and depending on who wins it, of course. And also leave me a comment down below letting me know that you are entered by just commenting the word enter. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna wait now for Benny to get home so we can like pick up on the rest of the vlog. So make sure to once again do all of that to be entered. I'm now gonna like make pictures and do like the little b-roll footage, and I'll pick up with you later.
Okay, amiga, I just finished taking pictures. I'm now having dinner because Benny told me that he already had dinner at work. So I decided to eat my dinner. I already made dinner yesterday and we're just having leftovers today. There is still a little bit if Benny wants it when he comes home, but it's basically rice with shrimps and saltfish and also potato mixed in it. It's like a Caribbean dish. But I took some pictures and I'm really proud of how they turned out. I will make sure to put a b-roll footage from all the pictures I took. But I'm super proud of it and how the pictures turned out. And of course, like as I'm like using the products from Lovelies by Lulu and Kokolishi, I will make like more pictures. But I'm really happy with how they turned out, and I hope that Kokolishi and also Lulu will be very happy with what I made with everything that they sent me. So yeah, just basically doing that right now, and Benny can be home in any minute. So yeah, that's that. That's the little update. I will let you know when Benny is home. So Benny is home. He is on his phone at the moment. And we're gonna start off with a few questions because, as I already told you, this video is gonna be a night routine, but it's also gonna be a girlfriend tag because we recently did a boyfriend tag and now it's my turn to also do some questions. So I thought it would be fun to do that together with a night routine because traditional videos, they have been super redundant. So I wanted to switch things up. Hope you like that. I asked you guys on Instagram to ask us questions. And these are the questions that we received. Anyways, let's get into the questions.
I need to ask the question.
Yes.
Next time, you need to tell your amigas that they need to write English.
Okay.
Because my papiamento ain't that boom yet.
Okay. It doesn't matter. I can
But
help you.
question number 1. Francine Frans. Heb ik het goed gezegd?
Yes.
Unta in next vacation ta.
And what does that mean?
What does that mean, Jennifer?
What does that mean?
It's a girlfriend tag,
You
right?
need to translate it. What does it mean?
Next question.
No!
What?
The next vacation is gonna be Curacao, I think. Isn't it?
Oh.
I think the next vacation should be Curacao. We went to Suriname already. And we were actually planned to go in September to Curacao. Well, unfortunately, due to Rona and everything going on in the world at the moment,
It's postponed.
it's postponed.
Alright. Keep it short, okay? My tag was 5 minutes, so yours need to be 4.
Mine wasn't 5 minutes.
It was 5 minutes.
No, it wasn't.
It was 5 minutes, Jennifer.
Asli, papia.
Zie je? Papia, werkelijk. Next question is from Karensley.
Karensley.
Karensley, I hope I pronounce your name correctly. How many years together? Love from Benny. Oh, love from Bonaire. Oh, sorry.
Is it 6 years now? No. 2012? (2013) What?
You're gonna get fucked up.
These people are not gonna come for us.
The next question is from Sujin Janga.
Yanga.
Yanga. Sujin Yanga. What do you love about each other and what are your pet peeves? What's that?
Pet peeves.
What do you love about me?
I love about you that you are very creative. He is very, how do you say that word?
Handsome. It's a joke.
Keep calm, okay? Keep calm.
It's a joke.
All right. So yeah, what else do I like about you? I like about you that basically somebody can tell you anything and you don't think anything is crazy. You won't judge anybody. I think that's very
I do
nice
judge
of you.
people.
Yeah. Do you? Yeah.
Oh, you mean, I know what you mean. You mean I'm open-minded.
Yes, that's
my
the word.
God.
Yes, he's very open-minded.
Yeah, oh, okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next question.
Only 2 things for me?
What else did I say?
I said about
And
6
he's he's very caring. He takes very good care of me, of anybody that he loves actually. And he is very, what is the opposite of greedy?
Goloso.
No. The opposite of greedy is vrijgevig. Hoe zeg je dat?
Sharing.
No.
Sharing and caring.
No, like, I don't know. You can basically
Leave that thing alone.
You can basically, if you need anything, like if you don't have food, you can just come to him and he will give you food.
I will give you shit.
Yes, you will. That's how you are.
Amigas, don't try it. Don't try it. You won't get anything. I'm gonna give you a glass of water and then you can go home. I ain't sharing.
No, everybody's always welcome. That's how he is. Benny, aren't you like that?
Benny, aren't you like that? It's a girlfriend tag. Don't ask me questions.
Come on now.
Today I asked the questions.
Okay, then ask the questions.
Look at me. I am your captain now.
Shut the fuck up.
You're cursing again. You
Okay,
see?
sorry.
You see?
All right.
The next one is not a question. It's just a message from me. Thank you, Christy, for the greetings. I got greetings from Christy.
Aww.
Thank you, Christy. Why are you acting like that? It was for me. You see? I'm the opposite of greedy, but you are.
Shut the fuck up. I am not. I am not.
Finally someone is greeting me. Because you always...
People always greet you.
No, but...
You have a whole fan club on Facebook.
It's not... I never get the greetings.
Well, you do because
You always eat it.
Don't lie.
But actually, Christy sent it direct to me. Thank you, Christy.
Você custa ganha, sim, você sabe? Tem que custar ganha. Stop de ganha.
You too stop de ganha.
Você custar ganha, sim, tá leio?
Stoi ganha. Stoi ganha.
Sim, stoi ganha.
Stoi ganha. Stoi ganha. Oh, Christy actually has a question.
Yes,
also.
she also has a question.
Oh, she is greeting me and she's asking you a question.
Okay.
How are you doing in Antwerp and what do you think about the lockdown?
We're doing good. I recently came back from Rotterdam. I was there for quite a few days. I saw my mom and my sister after 6 months.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he was there as well, and I saw him in The Hague for a few days, and it was actually quite nice to see my family and just catch up with our friend. Catch up.
Oh.
And catch up with our friend that lives in The Hague. So yeah, we're good. Now back home, and the lockdown, I'm a little bit sad about it, I guess, but at the same time I do understand that it is for safety precautions, because like that's the most important thing. Last time that we had a lockdown, I was a little bit depressed about it, but then along the way I decided to take the productive route. And
can you please keep it short? Telling a whole story. She's depressed about the lockdown, people. She doesn't like it. You see? Short. Telling us a whole story time. That it's gonna be a story time in a girlfriend time. In a girlfriend
type?
In a girlfriend tag. We don't want that.
Okay.
Just keep it
I'm sorry.
classy, okay?
Classy?
Classy.
When was I being ratchet?
When you were wearing this.
Don't be like that, hater.
Hating?
Yes.
I'm hating your fake hair.
Do you smell that, amigas? I
They don't
smell hate.
It's your mouth.
Shut the fuck up. No, not funny.
No, not funny.
No, not.
Oh, this one is actually for me. I think this question is late. It's from Jordan's Dan. I think it should be for the boyfriend tag. This question was for the boyfriend.
What is the
tag.
question, Benny?
Who's the best at editing videos?
I think I am.
I think I am.
I am the best editor.
I am the best editor.
Listen, he learned me how to edit. That is very true. That doesn't mean that he is the best at it, because it cost us blood, sweat, and tears. I cried about it. We fought about it. And now I'm better than you.
You're still second best, though.
No.
You're still second best.
I was so fed up with your ass that I decided, like, you know what? I'm not gonna ask this guy shit no more. Okay? So I did my research, and I started editing on my own.
Second best.
Shut the fuck up.
Second best.
No, never ever.
Ik heb jou geleerd, so
what?
you need to bow down.
En nu ben ik beter dan jou.
Nee.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Sometimes now I need to explain things to him.
When you need one of those plugins again, then we're gonna see who needs
Don't
it.
be like that.
Don't be like that.
No, don't be like that.
Okay, dan ga ik je zeggen, you are the best at it, right? Do it yourself.
Okay, you know what? We're equal, I guess.
No, we're not. I'm just better. I don't play for draws. I'm just winning. Maar, what we're gonna do?
We're gonna do skincare later on.
Why do I need to do skincare?
Well, it's my video and you decided to participate in it.
Since you're best at editing, CGI me on your video, okay?
Where are you going?
I'm going to do my things.
No, you're not going to do your things.
What am I going to do now?
I'm gonna make us mimosas now, and then after that we're gonna do skincare.
Can someone tell her that alcohol is not good?
So?
She wants to drink alcohol every day.
That's not true. That's not true. Stop lying.
What did we drink yesterday?
We did drink wine. Hey, don't be like that. Don't be lying in front of the camera and stuff because you poured us wine.
Who bought it?
Okay, I did. But listen.
How many bottles did
Banayo.
you look in the camera and tell the people how many bottles you bought?
Banayo, bonota leuk.
Look.
Bonota leuk.
Look, okay. How many bottles did you buy, Jennifer? And how much did we drink yesterday? How much did you make me drink yesterday?
I didn't make you drink shit. You made me drink a glass.
You are smart. So,
why am I smart?
Okay, and then you went to the supermarket, right?
Yes.
And what did you buy?
I bought stuff for mimosas.
More alcohol.
Manayo wak.
Wak me.
Bonota, say, mita wak po, bonota leuk.
Wak.
Bonota leuk, Benny.
Alcohol. Blame it on the alcohol. You're a little alcoholic.
No, I'm not.
I'm gonna bring.
That's actually a disease. Stop making
I'm gonna
fun
bring.
of people's
I'm gonna
disease.
bring you to a AA meeting.
I don't need to go.
With your fake ponytail.
Manayo, laga mi ponytail mo.
Laga mi ponytail.
Jaloers wada.
No.
Sa abonding. Jaloers wada.
I would never be jealous on that thing.
Why not?
Lagi mi.
Laga ke?
Lagami ponytail. Lagami
Lagami
ponytail.
ponytail.
Is niet jouw ponytail,
Si
Jennifer?
Tami Seng apagapi.
Ja. Ook al betaal je ervoor, is niet van jou.
Is van mij. Dat die king aan to, di ba?
Je zet het op je haar.
Dus?
Het
Is
blijft
van
niet
mij.
weg. Nee.
Jawel, is in mijn bezit. Ik heb ervoor betaald.
Morgen ga ik het aantrekken naar het werk.
Nou,
Waarom niet?
is niet van jou.
Ik ga het lenen.
Nee, je mag ook niet lenen.
Waarom niet?
Omdat ik zeg van niet. Je gaat het weggooien.
Your sister is calling you.
Okay, anyways.
Hello.
Are you excited for mimosa time? Why are you looking like that?
I'm not, because you're pointing it at me.
Manny, can you help me please?
No, I cannot.
Why not? Doesn't want to come out.
We shouldn't drink this today.
No?
Who's calling me from Greece?
I don't know who's calling you from Greece. Which hoe do you have in Greece, huh? Huh? Met wie in Griekenland? Wanneer ben je naar Griekenland gegaan?
That's a good question.
Okay, sorry. Sorry, I got a little bit too excited.
You know why you got excited?
Why?
Because you are a...
I love my drinks. Cheers! You need to look me and die. Because you know what they say. Cheers! Bebecita. So amiga, we're back, we're showered, and we're now gonna do our little skincare situation.
I have to do your skincare situation.
Yes, he has to like do my skincare that I do every night or I don't do mask every single night. Which one do you want? Which one is more appealing to you?
I want the hydro one. Caviar and pearl. Yeah, I want that one.
You want that one? He is gonna go with the hydrogel one, and I'm gonna go with the, I don't know, like orange mask. So yeah. Are you still alive? You still good?
It feels weird. It feels really weird.
It feel good?
No, it does not feel good.
Ew?
It feels weird. I'm not gonna lie. And how long I need to stay in this?
We're gonna do at least 5 minutes, okay?
It looks like someone smeared candle thingies on me.
Candle?
You know the thing that comes from a candle?
Yeah, like the wax.
Yes.
This one smells really fresh.
Oh shit, give me that one.
You chose the wrong one. No, now it's already on your face, so. They look like serial killers.
It's not funny.
It is.
What are your favorite activities to do with Penny?
My favorite activities are like being creative, going out.
To do with Penny.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
To be creative with him and just go out, like bike rides. We're basically like an old married couple. Like going to the market, things like that. Like normal things. What?
You're old in this relationship. I'm not old.
You're not old?
No.
Okay.
What is your weirdest habit?
Your weirdest habit.
Your weirdest habit?
It's the Girlfriendtag.
Oh yeah, what's my weirdest habit?
His weirdest habit is to eat rice, like just rice with no anything on it, like after it comes out of the microwave. I think that's so weird. He just takes it and like when it's super hot and he just like eat it.
I don't eat it.
Yes, you do.
It's a taste test. Yeah.
You have to taste it multiple times.
Well, that's my mother's fault.
Okay, well, nobody asked whose fault it is. I just thought it was weird.
Do you often get angry with me?
Not often. Sometimes. Not that often.
And why?
And why? Sometimes he just comes across a little bit rude, and I think that's annoying. Like, or he comes across as if he's annoyed with me. Yes. And then, yeah, then I get annoyed.
And sometimes you're just crazy.
What? Sometimes I'm just crazy. Sometimes you are just crazy.
No, you are.
You are.
You get... Don't let me give them the basic fit story.
No, you don't have to. Okay, that's gonna be a story for later. We're gonna take this off. We'll be back, okay? What you need to do now is like rub the rest of the residue in. Really? You need to rub it in.
Ew. Why is it so slimy?
How slimy? That's just how it's supposed to feel. It's the serum of the mask.
Serum?
Yeah.
Sounds so nasty.
Serum.
Like sperm.
What? You're tripping, boy. You are really tripping. Now we're gonna use night cream.
Alright.
Alright?
Alright.
Yes. So I'm gonna apply a little bit for you. And then you need to rub it in with your fingers. Don't we have more questions? Does this also feel weird?
No, this feels good actually.
Okay.
And it smells good.
Right?
Yeah, but the other thing was weird.
Next step is serum, Benny.
Oh.
We're not done yet.
What?
We're not done yet. We need to do like the rest of it.
Damn, this is really a routine.
Yes, it is.
So what?
Okay, I'm gonna give you 2 pumps of the blueberry serum. This is just rejuvenating, okay? It's to keep us young. Come on. Next, you just apply it like this. Forever young. I wanna be forever young. It's...
Jenny.
Don't diss my shit, okay?
I don't diss it, but what are those weird...
It's good. Tomorrow you're gonna thank me. And you cannot do this with me every night because this is a very costly routine, okay?
I don't want to do it every night.
And then next we have a glow serum.
Glow? I don't want to glow.
Yes, it's good for you.
Jenny!
Don't you want a healthy glow?
I don't need it. I have a healthy glow.
Come on.
This is not a healthy glow.
Come on, Benny. It has turmeric and fig in it.
What the frick is that?
Turmeric and fig.
What is turmeric?
Curcuma.
What is kurkuma?
I know you. Junta. Bang. Snake junta. Untuk pone.
Oh, come on.
No.
I'm happy this is a one-time thing.
Why?
I don't like it.
I would love for you to come do this with me, but then
Every day.
Yes, but then we just need more products because otherwise we're gonna run out quick.
You're just trying to get money from me to buy those things so that you can buy more for yourself. How much things do we need to do?
We need to do the eye serum now. An eye serum.
What's the eye serum?
That is for under the eyes, and it's just to make sure that you know your under eyes are taken care of. Come on, rub it up, up.
Holy shit.
Why did you put it in your eye? What are you doing? Did you put it in your eye?
You told me to rub it.
Yeah, but you needed to tap it, like not put it in your eye. Oh my god. Are you okay? Like, look.
It's burning.
You need to do it like this.
Like,
it has caffeine in it. Are you good? Do I need to go get water? Like this, like circular motions. Yes. You're doing great, Benny.
we're done?
No, we're almost done.
Oh my god.
Last step
It's
is
setting spree.
yeah, it's like a facial mist. Okay? Are you ready?
What is a facial
A
mist? Jen?
facial mist is just to absorb all the things that we put on the skin, and it makes sure that like everything you're looking at me like so confused. Like it makes sure that everything is going into the skin. Okay? And it's refreshing. Close your eyes.
I need to do this too?
No. Just let it dry on its own.
Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh let it be. You do this every night?
I do this every night. You need to take good care of your skin. Why do you think I still look young?
Who loves coffee more?
Who loves coffee more? I think you do. He even drinks coffee more than I do. Yes. But I love me some good coffee too though.
And you introduced me to coffee.
That is true. And now he's better at making the coffee. So, yep. Got my little barista. What?
Favorite music?
Music?
Yes.
From Kanye and Jay-Z type of music. Niggas in Paris type of things.
Ashanti told you that once and you never forgot about it.
But that's what you like. I hear you listen to that all the time.
Have you ever hidden something from me?
Yes.
Yes, I know. What?
Shopping stuff.
I knew you were lying sometimes.
No, I wasn't lying. I was never lying. I always was honest about it.
Stoi gaya.
No, I'm in the gaya.
Stoi gaya.
No, but like
Jenny.
sometimes I just don't feel like confronting or like doing the whole discussion about why I'm buying shit.
No, but you're lying. Sometimes I'm asking Jenny, it's new. No, it's not.
No, when I say it's not, it's not.
Have you
anymore.
ever lied to me about your location?
No. Why would I do that?
Have you ever wanted to end our relationship?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
When?
When I was pregnant and you were leaving your socks everywhere. Yeah.
You're not allowed to get pregnant anymore.
Why not? Oh, why not?
That's such a weird story.
Well, sorry. I was just very, very hormonal and you were leaving your socks everywhere.
Why do you...
So I was super annoyed with you and I was trying to break up with you.
But why?
Or not trying, thinking about it.
You were gonna break up with me?
That's what I was thinking
I was
about.
gonna be very happy.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, now it hurts?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Because I was not myself.
I also wasn't myself
Yeah.
when I was gonna be happy. It's hormonal.
Shut the F up. Hormonal.
Amigas, you heard it. She's not getting pregnant anymore.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, we need to have a baby.
Because you want to break up with me.
No.
We need to have a baby.
No, you're gonna burn
That
us
baby
and
is
that
gonna.
baby.
That baby is gonna be so cute. Oh wait, no, Amawolu left questions on YouTube that we still need to answer. They are actually from the boyfriend tag still. So
Can we answer them in the...
No, hold on. We're just gonna finish it real quick and then we can go.
Amawolu.
Amawolu. She's a real one though. She really is supporting us, Benny.
Us? It's
Yes.
not my YouTube channel.
Well, she is supporting us, okay? We have more questions that I didn't even know about. But anyways, let's start with this one. When are you guys coming to Curacao? Somebody asked. As soon as we're able to come.
When I am welcome in Curacao.
You're always welcome. Okay. Wat voor werk doen jij en Benny? What kind of job do you and Benny do? And how long have you been dating? Benny works in a hospital. And I work in social media at a very big company here in Belgium. And how long have we been dating? 7 years almost. After how much time did you decide to go live together? 1 year. Yes, very fast. But is living in Belgium fun? And which steps do you need to take? Maybe another video idea. Definitely another video idea. But living in Belgium is super fun. I wish we have done this sooner. So yeah, I really love it. And is there gonna be a wedding?
No wedding.
No.
You were
No wedding.
You were trying to break up with me. Did you forget?
Listen, boy, that wasn't me.
How can you try to break up with someone because of socks?
Hey, Koyan, tenemos aqui.
No, cocky.
Tenemos un coso aqui.
Go sassy.
Sí.
Estoy ganando.
Aha. We gaan trouwen. Like, if you're not gonna marry me, then I need to go. What are you doing?
I'm helping you pack.
Fuck off! Coño, oh my god. And yeah, that's it. So thank you so much to Amawolu as well to send in all your questions.
Start looking for a place for Jenny to sleep.
Why?
I'm gonna post you to Amawolu.
Why? She would love to have me.
Yes, go.
She would love to have. But why do you want to get rid of me so bad, huh?
You wanna get married and kill me after that?
No, you want to put another bitch in this house?
No.
Huh?
You wanted to kill me because of socks.
Yes, you were annoying.
You wanted to end the relationship.
You were annoying. I asked you so many times, Benny, can you clean up your socks? You just kept leaving them everywhere. I was annoyed with your ass.
I'm gonna buy a 50 pack of socks and wear one every day and leave them in the house until you get immune.
Damn. Why would you want to piss me off like that?
Do.
Do what?
Do what?
Do what? Sua boboca, passa secretar tudo. We want to thank you so much for watching. We're gonna end this video here. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel to see more videos from me and maybe
y'all can also give her thumbs down, huh?
No, we don't want any thumbs down. We want thumbs up.
Thumbs down for Benny.
Thumbs up for
okay? Jenny and thumbs down for Benny.
No. You're fucking me up. Stop it. So do it correctly.
This video, we're gonna see something. Thumbs down for Benny?
No,
absolutely
not. Thumbs up, okay? Thumbs up. Anyways, bye.
If you wanna see me in her next video, give her a lot of thumbs down.
No, stop it. Another thank you goes to Lovelies by Lulu and also to Kokolishi Curacao. Make sure to enter the giveaway, by the way, by being subscribed to this channel. Follow me on Instagram.
You're giving me away?
No, you wish.
Oh, what are you?
Listen, don't steal the show. Follow me on Instagram. Follow Kokolishi Curacao and also follow Lovelies by Lulu. I will make sure to put all the information in the description box down below for you to check it out. And leave me a comment down below letting me know that you are entered by commenting enter. So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope to see you soon in my next video.
Ayo!
Ayo!